Hey you, let me show you how to do flat twists on your natural hair. So I'm doing 2 flat twists and this is my go-to. And whenever I have my hair in flat twists, I always get a lot of compliments and questions. How did you do this? Is this your hair? Did you do this by yourself? And I'm like, this is the easiest style ever, to be honest. This is the easiest protective style for your natural hair. So I'm starting off by separating my hair into 2 sections, and at the front I'm going to be a bit extra today, so that's what you see me doing. Now that's what I'm talking about. It's giving, yeah? Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water on my hair. I do not like to manipulate my hair without spraying some water, and then I lock in the moisture with an oil. My hair is already moisturized. There's a lot of leave-in conditioner in there. You can wear your flat twists up to 2 to 3 weeks. Usually I wear mine to 2 weeks thereabout, so it's important that you moisturize your hair before you do this style. My hair is clearly shrunk, so I'm stretching it a bit so that I have an easier time while doing the style. To make this tutorial beginner friendly, I went ahead to separate my hair into smaller sections, the sections that I'm going to be flat twisting. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am simply separating my hair into smaller sections so that it's easier to flat twist and it's easier to show you how to flat twist your own hair. Flat twisting is really easy. If you already know how to do a twist, a normal twist, then this is going to be really easy for you. And a normal twist is simply what you see me doing. 2 sections, overlap each section over the other repeatedly until you get a twist. That's how you twist. Now for a flat twist, we're going to be using the same technique but going horizontally. We're going to be adding sections onto the hair. Yeah? Okay. Start by holding down the first 2 sections of your hair, section 1, section 2. And then overlap section 1 on section 2, as though you are doing a normal twist, but hold it down. Section 3 is the next section of your hair yenye tumeseparate ya 3. So we are going to join section 1 yenye imetoka mbele ika overlap 2, tunashikanisha na section 3. Okay? Once you join section 1 and section 3 together, go ahead and overlap section 2 on both section 1 and section 3. Alafu hiyo section 2 utashikanisha na the next section, which we are calling section 4. Yeah? Okay? Yes. And then go on and overlap hivyo tu. yenye inatoka mbele inashikana na hiyo section yenye iko nyuma. Yeah? Keep on joining and joining until you get the hang of it. And don't let go. Usiachilie. Ukiachilia, then you're gonna have to start afresh. So basically, whatever section iko mbele inarudi nyuma, and then, yeah, you see that right there. We are simply overlapping hair on each other every section. So ile section iko mbele itakuja nyuma, and then utashikanisha na the newest section. So you're going to do this on repeat until you're finished with all the sections. It's as simple as that. Okay? And once you're done joining all the sections, ukishafika chini, you simply do a normal twist, how you would normally twist your hair. And make sure it's tight, ndio isitokane. And voila, you have your flat twist. It's really that easy. It's as easy as it gets. So as you can see, it's literally sections overlapping each other. Like section moja ina overlap section hiyo ingine, hivyo until you're done with the whole side of your hair. Really, it's really that easy, imagine. Now let's go over to the next section of our head. I've already separated my hair into sections that I'm gonna be working with. Now hold down the first two sections, just like we did previously. Hold down the first two sections of your hair and then overlap the first one over the second one. Now that the first one is behind the second one, join section 3 onto section 1, as you can see on the video. There you go. Yeah? And once you've joined the two sections, overlap the two again, and whatever goes behind, unashikanisha na hiyo yenye iko nyuma. Whatever section is waiting for you hapo nyuma. Once you join those two sections together, then go ahead and secure them, and then overlap whatever was at the front, making whatever was at the back go to the front now, as you can see on the video. And then secure whatever section is behind, ushikanishe na ile iko nyuma sasa. Secure that, join them together. So at each point we are working with 3 sections at each point. Then ukishashikanisha, overlap the two. You see, overlap the two. Once you join them together, overlap the two, and then whatever you are holding behind, sasa ile nywele imekuja nyuma, gosh, I hope I'm explaining this well, I'm really trying. Whatever ile section imekuja nyuma, join them together sasa tena, then overlap. Then whatever you have hapo nyuma, shikanisha na the next section yenye iko hapo nyuma. It's literally that easy. I hope my explanation makes sense. I'm gonna let you watch the rest of it. And boom, just like that, you have your flat twist in. One of the easiest and best protective styles ever. It's loose, it's not tight. Like, oh my god, you learn this, please. So I wanted to show you how I do my flat twist without having to separate the sections prior, because that was simply beginner friendly. Like, I was trying to be as friendly as I could be. So this is how I simply do it. Obviously, we are starting with the first two sections. Hold them down, hold the first two sections down, overlap them. It's the same technique. The only difference is that I'm not separating my hair prior. So I'm just separating my hair as I go. That's the only difference. So once a section is behind, I hold it down as I separate my hair, as you can see. The other hand imeshikilia hiyo nywele yenye imetoka mbele chini. That section right there has been held down by the other hand. And then once I separate my hair into another section, I simply overlap over the other one. It's the same technique. The only difference is that I have gotten the hang of it because I've been doing this for over like 3 years now, actually 5 years, my whole natural hair journey. So I've gotten the hang of it pretty well, so I don't need to separate my hair prior. But if you're starting off, it's important that you separate your hair prior, because managing all these at the same time, it takes time. Inatake time kiasi. So I'm simply overlapping, as you can see, and then holding it down with the same hand, and then I separate my hair into the section that I'm going to overlap next. It's that easy. And then once I secure that section, I simply overlap it onto the next section, hold it down right there, and then separate my hair again into another section that I'm going to overlap onto the previous section. It's really that easy. Like, it's that easy. Yeah. but this you can do if your hair is already straight, so hauna shida ya kuseparate. It's easier, but kama nywele yako imeshrink, it's easier to work kama usha separate your hair like we did previously. So yeah, it's really this easy. Like, this is how you get on a flat twist, guys. I hope my explanation has gotten home. I hope you've understood what I'm explaining. And once you're done, you want to safely pin down the ends of your hair with a bobby pin. I mean, this is a protective style after all. It's in the word. Secure your ends, keep them safe. And since I'm extra, I like to tie down my hair with a scarf, just to make everything sleek, like ilale vizuri, ishike, you know? Yeah, that's the vibe. And there you have it. Now would you look at that? Yeah? Flat twists are the best. Like, they are timeless, they're unique, they're easy, they're quick to do, they're not tight on your scalp. Like, they're so lightweight, I don't even feel like I've done my hair. This is as easy as it gets, guys. This is as easy as it gets. I love flat twists. Do feel free to share your thoughts about these flat twists in the comment section down below. Tell me if you've gotten the hang of it. You know, umeelewa kakitu, umeshika kakitu. Are you going to try these out? Tell me if you like it even. So that marks the end of this video. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.